In this lesson, we're going to compare fractions using a benchmark. So if we have a problem like this that says which fraction is more, 4 over 5 or 5 over 4? Well, a handy way to compare fractions is using a benchmark. And a benchmark is a reference number that can be used to compare two fractions. So for this one, we can compare each fraction to the benchmark of 1 to figure this out. So let's look at the model for 4 over 5. So here's what 4 over 5 looks like. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 parts shaded, and the fifth one is not. And then this is 1. It's all shaded. It's 1, just 1. It equals 1. So now we compare 4 over 5 to 1. Now let's do the same for the other one. But first let's look at the fact that 4 over 5 is less than 1, right? So 4 over 5 is less than 1. So now we compare 5 over 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 4. So it's out of 4 pieces. So when we compare that to 1, this is how this looks. Here's 1. So now we can say that we know for sure that 5 over 4 is greater than 1, right? So because there's this many shaded pieces and this is 1, right? So now we can come to the conclusion that because 5 over 4 is greater than 1 and 4 over 5 is less than 1, that would make 5 over 4 greater than 4 over 5. So you can draw that conclusion. Okay? And that's the end of this lesson. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video and see it again. Practice makes improvement. And if you need extra help, check out the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. There's a link in the ebook. You could link to the video and watch it again. Thank you so much for listening, and make sure to like and subscribe.